Hey y'all, we getting ready for a Janet Jackson concert. I know. Yeah, y'all ready? Let me know your age group if you like Janet Jackson, because I do. Let's go. Okay, so this is how the hair looks. We are pressed for time, so I gotta hurry up. So I'm doing this in 4 sections. Y'all know how I roll. As long as it look good, it's gonna be alright. Braid this. Using mad water, because this needs to get denim and brush. Brushing through it a little. This Garnier Fructis Curl, what does this say? Air dry cream. Okay, maybe not 4, maybe 6. Saw that. You saw how crunchy that was. And I know you can see my wig cap. Don't worry. Don't worry. We're gonna fix that. So water, brush, and then conditioner. We're gonna do this fast. Then 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And if you want to see how I installed this, I have a YouTube short on my channel. If you want me to go more in depth how I did this glueless. Ooh. If you want me to go more in depth how I did this glueless. No spray, no tape, no glue, no elastic band. Let me know. I'll do an entire video how I did this install. Okay, so this is how we looking. I have no choice but to use this. So this is temporary. My edges should be fine. I get my Ashantis because they need to look good too. Okay. And y'all, we got to do makeup. Remember, we on press time. So this is my Maybelline Matte and Poreless. This is the number 334. Can you see that? Take the wet beauty blender. Don't roast me. This is my summer color, alright? This is my summer color. My summer color, okay? I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going. With this e.l.f. concealer in the color medium sand. Just to warm it up a bit. Child, I'm in a rush. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. I got a lot of e.l.f. products. This is the No Budge Shadow Stick in the color Magnetic Pull. It's a shadow stick, real quick. So I got this from the beauty supply store. This is the LA Colors Gel Lip Liner. What color is this? My favorite nude. And it's gonna line it a little bit. I'm not even lining it that good. Oh gosh, I gotta go. And I'm using this NYX Butter Gloss. This is Eclair. And this is the Poppin' Beauty Supply Store Lip Gloss, the Broadway, and the Rose Hip Oil. So this isn't like a full body thing, but so this one I'm wearing is a jean Excuse the mess. But I'm trying to hurry up. So this is a corset. These are denim jeans. This is a denim dress I had got from Fashionable, but that, I don't know, I like it button in the middle and then having it like this and then having it like that. So this is my all denim look, and this is how we're going. See you at the concert.